Okay guys, as you can see, I went with the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium, 512 gigabytes. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Okay. And voila, the natural titanium. Kind of look grayish, but we'll get into that in a second. Now they have the USB-C cable, moving away from lightning, and this nice braided cable, which seems durable. It came with the, as you know, the new phones are eSIM, so that shows how to do eSIM, and the Apple sticker. And nothing else in the box, as usual. Okay, so yeah, we have here the natural titanium. Looks so clean. Let's get this off. Yeah. Okay, as you see, it's USB-C at the bottom now. Power button on this side. Nothing at the top. And the volume buttons and the new action button. It's very light in the hand, man. It's very light compared to last year's. I'm going to get this set up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now I'm showing you the 15 and last year's 14 Pro Max, which is way heavier. But as you can see, it has the action button now compared to the old mute switch that it used to have. And as you can see again, it has USB-C now compared to the lightning port. I do still love that stainless steel though. And same thing on the other side as before. Same 3 cameras, nice clean back. It's definitely lighter. And as you see, it's a little bit narrower compared to last year's model. And it's also a tiny bit shorter, but it's the same screen size. So that makes it very comfortable in the hand to hold. All right, put that away. Now I'm gonna also show you the case that I got for it, which is the speaking case. It's like a translucent case. It also has MagSafe, so anybody that needs to use it for MagSafe accessories. I've had this case on all my previous models and I really love it. As you can see, it fits the phone very snugly, and that back is just so clean. Gives me the old N64 vibes. I'll leave the link in the bio so you can pick that up from Amazon. And that's it guys, that was the iPhone 15 Pro Max.